we made a decision 3 years ago to move Intel Ireland to become the leading edge for Intel and the next generation. And over the course of the last 3 years, that's meant that we've invested $5 billion into Ireland and into Intel Ireland. Very big deal.
This $5 billion investment represents the largest investment in the history of the state. In fact, it's a record that beats only the record that we previously set several years ago for capital investment here. And in that sense, it's hugely significant. You know, it keeps us at the leading edge of manufacturing for Intel, and one of just a handful of these kind of facilities on the planet.
I think it's important for everybody to understand that since 2011, just a little over 2 years ago, 5,000 million has been invested here by Intel in this plant. And it stabilises, as your president has pointed out, the 4,500 highly skilled jobs who are here and the 5,000 jobs that have been created indirectly. And as Eamon pointed out to me, the impact of that on the economy regionally has been almost the equivalent of 900 million euro every year over all those years that Intel have been here. I look forward to continued engagement with a company as globally strong as Intel, driven, of course, from the foundation and the roots of an old country here, of which we're very proud.
To be here for 25 years, first of all, is a great achievement. But secondly, it is also because of the investment of the $5 billion over the past number of years. It is also a great statement of confidence by Intel in this plant, in Ireland, in the people who work here. And I think it gives great confidence for everybody in this room in the future.
What's made Ireland an attractive location for investment by Intel is generally a complicated measure of things, you know, the capability of the workforce, clearly the pro-business environment that we have. And as I was explaining earlier, the stability that is offered by our corporate tax rate, you know, that it's seen to be very, very stable over the years, that it gives the decision makers at Intel who, for capital investments of this size, look at multi years ahead, and gives them great confidence that their return will happen as expected.